Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay May 1, 2024 Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong May 1, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, May 1, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasa para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for May 1, 2024, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 14 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for Wednesday, May 1, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for May 1, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.